Okay, now I want you guys to work some more on this today. I want you to graph the two lines and find the point where they cross. Now, make a wall on this side, always over here. Is the y by itself? It is, so I want you to label it m and b, okay? The m needs to be a fraction, so we put a 1 under it. Now, the b is your y-intercept. It's your beginning point, okay? It's on the y-axis, okay? Put a y, then a b. So it says minus 3, so that means we're going to go down 3. That's your beginning point. B stands for beginning. Now my m is negative 3 over 1. That means I go down 3, forward 1. And then do it again. Okay, then I take a ruler and connect those points. Okay, now we got to graph the other equation. Is the y by itself? Yes, it is. Okay. So that's a positive 2. That's a copy machine mark. Okay. So m, that needs a 1, and b. So now it says plus 2. So now I start up here at 2. And then from there we have positive 2, so it's up 2 and forward 1. Okay, so then I go ahead and connect those. Okay, then the points cross right here. Now, one of you had questions yesterday. How do I figure out what to label at? Start in the middle, okay? How many squares do you have to move this way? You have to move backwards 1, so negative 1. Then how many squares do you have to move this way? Down 1, so negative 1. Okay, next one. Here's my y, all by itself, so I have m and b, okay? Now the b, I already have a fraction with the m, okay? I'll teach you how to do that here in a second, but we got plus 4. And then from there, I'm going to go down 1, forward 3, okay? So down 1, forward 3. Down 1, forward 3. That's the equation for that line. That's all the solutions to that equation. That line represents every solution to that equation. I'm trying to find the one solution for both equations. Okay, the y is by itself. Now I put a 1 in front of the x, and that's my m, but I want that to be a fraction, so I put a 1 under it, and then a b. So plus 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then from there, it's positive 1, so I go up 1, forward 1. So up 1, and I'm always moving forward. Sometimes I move up. Here I move down because it was negative. I always move forward, though. Okay, and then here's where the lines cross, okay? So start in the middle. How far do we have to move sideways? 1, 2, 3. Backward 3, so negative 3. How far up? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So negative 3, 5. Okay, next problem, sample 3. Y is by itself, so I put m and b labels. This is b. I put a 1. So I would start up at plus, that's supposed to be a 2. So up at plus 2. Then we have positive 1 and 1. So I go up 1, forward 1. Okay. So minus 2. up 3, forward 1. So I make a coordinate, and I go forward 2, because I'm forward 2, now I'm right beneath it, then up 1, 2, 3, 4. So I went up, so it's 2 and 4, okay? Remember, if you have to move forward, it's a positive on the X, backwards a negative. For the Y, if you move up, it's positive, down, it's negative. Okay, so M, B, okay. So I'm going to put a 1 here, so plus 4. And from there I go up 2, forward 1. Okay, so up 2, forward 1, up 2, forward 1. Plus 2, so I go to 2. Then again I go up 1, forward 1, up 1, forward 1. And the lines should meet. I know they don't look like they would. You got to take your ruler and make it, okay? So you're left 2, so negative 2, and then I'm right there. Okay, so negative 2, because I'm backwards 2, but then I don't have to move up or down at all, so that would be 0.